Hi everyone, my name is Otis. You're welcome to Otalium's Academy. So if you're watching us for the first time, I say welcome. So today I'm going to walk you through how to start your small business online for free. So let's get started. So I will start with what I call the low hanging fruits. So if you have been researching about starting an online business, you find out that it has not been that so easy because there are tons and tons and thousands and millions of information out there. So sometimes it becomes you kind of have information overload. So to simplify the process, we're going to start with low hanging fruits, the easy one that you can start right now that you don't need to commit money upfront for you to get started. So I'm going to break it down into six areas, and with these areas, you with this the with this item that I'm going to mention, so you'll be able to start up your online business freely and start making money as soon as possible. So the first is called what we call the affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is just something that we all do every single day. Once you refer someone to make a purchase from another website, so what you're doing, what that is called referral. So, but there are companies that offer incentive for you for doing that, for referring valid traffic to them. So it is a process where you are incentivized or you're paid a commission for referring a valid traffic that make a purchase from a website or from a merchant. Take for instance, Amazon. Amazon run affiliate marketing program. So if your friend or any family member is going to make a purchase and you just refer them to go to Amazon through the link that you've created before you get paid commission, so you actually have to sign in for that affiliate program with the company that offers that affiliate program, like Amazon, eBay, and other companies. So once you do that, the system generates a quote for you, a link, either a test link or a banner link. And if your friends or any member of your family or you want to advertise online, so that is the link that you use to advertise or send to your friends or family to make the purchase. Once the valid purchase is made, you get paid commission because that link carries a kind of a tracking code that have your ID that is attached to the affiliate program that you've already signed up for. So that's one way. It's easy. There's no upfront payment. You just go to the affiliate company and just sign up and just off you go. So you've started your own online business. From there, you can take it. You decide to develop, create a website to promote it, or you can use your social media channel to actually promote it. There are different ways. So we'll come to that. I think I've treated some of those ways that you can promote it. You can watch my videos. So another is e-commerce. E-commerce is you uh, agreeing to creating your own website or your own portal to sell other people's product. So an agreement with e-commerce, you set the commission that you want to make. Once you get the minimum retail price, so you might decide to alter your price or change your price or fix your price what is suitable to you. So that's the difference between the affiliate and the e-commerce, because in the affiliate you don't have that luxury. You can't, it's not flexible, so you can't detect the commission that you're going to be paid. So the merchant is who decide the commission that you're going to be paid. But when it comes to e-commerce, so you decide the commission that you want to earn. So how does that work? So once you sign up, once you create your website, you look for companies that offer a dropship services. Dropship means that they own the product, but you are the one who's promoting the product, and you ask them to ship the product directly to your customer. So you don't even come in contact with the product, but what you see is just the virtual product. So this company gives you their product data feed that contain the image and the description of that product. So you list that on your site and you begin to promote it as if you own those products. So the once the customer pays you, as soon as the customer make purchase on your website, so that is when you are going to instruct your drop shipper or the company that is offering the product. So you place a purchase, you now go to their site to request them by making a payment for that product, and you ask them to actually ship the product to your customers. And it is important that when you are signing in for drop shipping, remember that always ask the company if they offer blind shipping. Blank shipping means that each time you place an order for them to supply to your customers, so they should not use their label to supply the customer. So the blank shipping is that they just have to ship it without having their label. But in most cases, if you own your own label, you can send it to your drop shipper for them to include it in the product they are shipping. But as a startup, that's why I call it the low hanging fruit. You don't need to incur that expenses. So this is also one of the easiest way to start up your online business. So another one is the online coaching. So if you are knowledgeable about any subject, and you know that you can teach that, you can impart that knowledge. So you can also do that. There are a lot of companies out there that offer the platform where you can sell your skills. Something like Upwork, you have the Top Tag. You've got a lot of them out there that you can actually sell your skills. So you don't need to make an upfront payment for you to do that because you are providing that service for them and they make commission, you also make your money. So another one is selling your own product. So you can actually create your own product. You can actually package your knowledge, even the skills that you have and begin to sell it. It doesn't matter what the kind of skills that you have, but every skill is marketable. So another one is freelancing. Freelancing is also signing up for a freelance platform where you also sell your skills so people can actually subscribe for your skills. If you have the writing skills or you're a web developer or you're a lawyer, it doesn't matter the profession that you are. So people can hire you virtually for you to complete a task for them. Let's take, for instance, if you want to build a website, so you can hire anybody from anywhere, any part of the world to design your website. So you pay online and the platform becomes the intermediary between you, the freelancer, and the person who is actually subscribing or requesting for your service. So it's a win-win situation. So these are I call that low hanging fruit. And the least and not the last is what they call the blogging. So thousands and thousands of blog comes up every single day, but understanding your niche will help you make that difference and help you to actually make money. If you understand the niche and you understand your audience, what resonates with your audience, what is your audience looking for. It is not just about owning a blog. So it is important that you understand what you are blogging about. So you don't need money for you to start blogging. The only money that you need is just for your web hosting or for your domain name, just for you to get started. And there are other simple platform, but nothing. There's other free platform, but there's not actually free. So it all has its downside. It has its downside. So I would recommend that if you're starting a blog and use the paid hosting, so that at the end of the day, you're doing your things by yourself. So there are critical factors for you to start your business online. First of all, you must have an open mind. So what do I mean by that? So you are not sorry. Why you are not earning money online, it is also important for you to know that. That's why I said you have to have an open mind. So more people are visiting the internet to buy products and search for information. So they will be your customer if you have that open mind and know where to find them. Another one is know your passion. Do you want to earn passive income from your passion? Do you want to earn money from your passion? So, and that's also another important critical factor for your success online. Take action. Stop dreaming. So, why are you not monetizing your activity, if I may ask? So because everything gives money online. So begin to monetize your activities, begin to monetize your passion, then planning for your online business. What do you need to do? Plan how to start. Plan what to do to attract a customer is very important. Planning your channel. How do you reach this customer is very, very important. Then once you have this in place, then you're setting yourself up for success. So what do you need? You have to own a product, or you can sell people's product. You don't need no technical know-how. You don't have to be a techie kind of guy for you to sell online. So then that brings us to the question: what is required? How do I get started? What do I need? You need a domain name. You need a web hosting. So, and you must have that will to learn. and the ability to take action. Like as I said, stop dreaming. It is time for you to start working. So learn new things. Don't be docile. Go on the internet, read, follow blogs, read tech news, understand where the world is going. What kind of product are you selling? So it is very important, and believe in yourself. Focus on what is passionate to you. And you have to have that hunter mentality, searching for gold. Understand how search engine works and how organic search also work. So you can use that to your own advantage. So, and most of us see working online as just a piece of cake. It is not. So if you're looking at starting your small business online, try to create your work from home strategy, because your success is in your hand. The internet is open for 24 hours and 365 days a year. That's the only sector that is open 24 hours a day and 365 days a year. So what time works better for you? Is it middle of the night? So these are important critical factors that you need to have. You need to understand this before you set your feet or before you hit the marks. So and it's not that so much complicated, but sometimes it is. So you do not make, because we don't want you to make that same mistake we made when we started. So now we're going to look at three things that you need to learn, three things that to get you started. So creating or finding great products, services to sell, attracting the right customers to buy your product. Why will the customers buy from you? It is not a get rich quick, but understanding how to use the internet is one of the most important things that will set you up for success. Remember, no action is equal to no result. So for some, working from home is a huge adjustment. Empathize with your colleagues and be patient as everyone settles in. For your web hosting and domain name, visit domaincode.com. Thank you. So we're coming to the end of this presentation. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in our next presentation. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can get an alert when we have new videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.